this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on Samsung phone. If you're using a Samsung phone and you're about to change your routine for the day, you can easily turn on your Do Not Disturb feature to mute all incoming calls except for accepted calls or messages. So that is the first thing you want to do, which is the quickest way to turn on Do Not Disturb on your Samsung phone, is just swipe down your Samsung phone notification tree just like this, and then click on Do Not Disturb. Once you hit that, you see the Do Not Disturb feature turned on your Samsung phone. If you press and hold this, then you should see the information about Do Not Disturb. You can say Do Not Disturb is on, and if you choose this, the Do Not Disturb feature will be turned off on your Samsung phone. Now, this is one way to turn on Do Not Disturb on Samsung phone. Now, to turn on Do Not Disturb Samsung phone via the settings, all you need to do is go to the settings page on your Samsung device, scroll down, and click on Notifications. Under Notifications, click on Do Not Disturb. Then once you click on that, you should see the Do Not Disturb feature just like this. Then toggle on Do Not Disturb. Once you click on this, you can also schedule Do Not Disturb, and under Allow Do Not Disturb, call and messages, some can be allowed. So you can just add contact whose phone number or whose incoming call you want to allow while Do Not Disturb is turned on, and also app notifications non allow. You can also add some application to allow Do Not Disturb, to turn off Do Not Disturb on the application. And once the Do Not Disturb on your Samsung phone is turned on, then you should see this feature here, meaning the Do Not Disturb is active. To disable or turn off Do Not Disturb on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is just toggle off this feature. And once that is disabled, you should see the Do Not Disturb feature here turned off like this. Then you can also turn off the Do Not Disturb right from here. And once that is disabled, just scroll up, and then you should see the Do Not Disturb disabled here, and it's also disabled on the settings. So this is how you can easily turn off or turn on Do Not Disturb on Samsung device. If this is helpful, if you want to hit like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.